big concern here is always about water, because we're in a desert. So I know we hit the headlines that there was a water issue, and really anyone building out here, whether it is manufacturing or it's housing, they have to have a 100-year water plan. And at one point this year, there was where it was over by, I want to say 2%. Of what their water plan would be for over 100 years. So they had to go back and restructure. How are they going to change that, and how can we fix that so we don't have a water issue? Are there outskirts areas that do have some water issues? They do, but that was more that it was the infrastructure was not set up properly for the water for which city or town was going to be covering that. So it's a little bit of a different issue. They can still do a well or shared water, that type, or hauled water, shared well, hauled water. There's still options for the water. It's just some people weren't happy because they don't want to pay for that. But in some areas, you do have to pay for that because it's not part of the city. So there are lots of options. And if you are having to install a well, things to think about are the closer you are to the mountain, the further down you have to dig, and it can cost more. So it's always good to talk with someone and get that done during your inspection process so you understand what your expenses will be when you need to add your own well.